In today's modern battlefield, drones are no longer just tools for surveillance. They're frontline game changers, and the Philippine Army knows this very well. From combat operations in Marawi in 2017 to the fast-evolving tactics seen in Ukraine today, unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, are reshaping how wars are fought and won. But here's the twist. The Philippine Army is not just modernizing its regular force. It's also equipping its reserve command with cutting-edge drone capabilities. This is a massive leap for the Army's external defense posture. Let's dive deep into how this transformation started and where it's heading. The Army's journey with drones didn't happen overnight. In fact, it dates all the way back to 2012, when the Philippine Army began experimenting with unmanned aerial systems. With just 2.5 million pesos in initial funding, the Army began research and development of indigenous drones. Soon after, locally made drones, such as the Raptor and Night Falcon, entered the scene. And in 2017, during the Marawi siege, these drones were put to the test. They provided real-time surveillance to ground commanders, a capability that proved vital in urban warfare against well-entrenched enemy forces. From that point, the Army understood. Drones weren't just useful, they were essential. Recognizing their importance, the Army expanded its inventory. It acquired world-class systems such as Israel's Elbit Hermes, Skylark, and Thor UAVs. These assets didn't just give the Army eyes in the sky, they revolutionized its C4I Star capabilities. That's command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance. In simple terms, drones became the Army's force multiplier, allowing commanders to see beyond the horizon, locate enemies, and make faster, smarter battlefield decisions. But here's where things get even more interesting. Today, the Philippine Army is expanding this capability to its reserve force, the citizen soldiers of the nation. Through the Army Reserve Command, or RESCOM, reservists are being trained as organic drone operators. This is groundbreaking because for the first time, a support command is pioneering unmanned aerial operations. These reservists are trained using flight simulation software, practice drones, and actual first-person view or FPV operations. They're developing vital skills in rapid safety observation, reconnaissance, and tactical maneuvering, even in complex environments like dense jungles, remote islands, and volcanic clearings. This initiative ensures that when the time comes, reservists can seamlessly integrate into active units, bringing with them modern drone warfare expertise. The big question is, why FPV drones? The answer lies in modern asymmetric warfare. Take a look at the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Cheap but agile FPV drones have been used for everything, from precision strikes on armored vehicles to providing real-time intelligence on enemy positions. They're small, fast, and hard to detect. And with the right training, even a single operator can influence the outcome of a battle. For the Philippine Army, this means cost-effective modernization, leveraging affordable yet highly effective technology to counter threats in unconventional ways. This move also signals a major shift toward external defense. Traditionally, the Army has focused on internal security operations, fighting insurgency in mountains and jungles. But with growing tensions in the West Philippine Sea and the need to secure far-flung territories, the Army is adapting. Drones operated by both regular and reserve forces can provide crucial surveillance over remote islands, coastlines, and potential flashpoints. In essence, these eyes in the sky extend the Army's reach, giving it a modern edge in both defense and humanitarian missions. The Army's UAS program continues to grow. Recruitment and training of FPV drone pilots are ramping up to create a formidable drone corps within both active and reserve ranks. And this is just the beginning. With rapid advancements in drone technology, we can expect future developments such as long-endurance drones, AI-assisted operations, and swarm tactics, all of which could reshape the Philippine Army's role in modern warfare. The Philippine Army's investment in drone technology, especially through its reserve force, is a bold step toward modernization. From humble beginnings in 2012 to advanced systems today, The Army is proving that innovation, strategy, and adaptability are key to defending the nation in the 21st century. What do you think? Will drones become the Philippine Army's most important battlefield tool in the years ahead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Philippine modernization updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.